Understanding, measured in terms of, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across in your studies or heard in conversations. Measured in terms of. This phrase is a key to unlocking a deeper understanding of comparisons, evaluations, and discussions across various subjects. So, let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible to grasp. When we talk about something being measured in terms of something else, we're discussing the criteria or units used to evaluate or quantify it. This phrase helps us understand the basis or standard for measurement. It tells us what aspect or characteristic is being considered to determine the value, importance, or magnitude of the subject in question. To really understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Economic success. When we say a country's economic success is measured in terms of GDP, gross domestic product, we're saying that GDP is the unit or criteria used to evaluate the country's economic performance. Academic achievement. If a student's academic achievement is measured in terms of grades, it means grades are the standard used to assess the student's performance in their studies. Employee performance. An employee's performance might be measured in terms of productivity, suggesting that productivity is the criterion for evaluating how well the employee is doing their job. These examples show how the phrase, measured in terms of, sets the framework for understanding various assessments and comparisons. Understanding and using the phrase, measured in terms of, is crucial because it clarifies the basis of evaluations. It helps listeners or readers understand exactly what criteria are being used. Facilitates effective communication. It ensures that discussions are clear and that everyone is on the same page about what standards are being applied. Encourages critical thinking. By specifying what measurements are used, it prompts us to consider whether those are the best or most appropriate criteria. And there you have it. The phrase, measured in terms of, is a powerful tool in the English language, helping us to communicate more precisely and understand the criteria behind evaluations and comparisons. We hope this video has shed some light on its usage and importance. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to measure your progress in terms of how comfortable you feel using this and other phrases in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.